Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at 5 beautiful ways in which you can make a delicious spaghetti. 5 different types of spaghetti that you can make during the weekend. Finally it is spaghetti time. We're going to be talking about spaghetti only. And we're so glad that everyone is always happy when it is the weekend, as having a fantastic week, either just stressful or not. You would always be happy to that it's weekend. And a great way to enjoy the weekend is to relax, enjoy, eat, drink, watch a movie, or go out. This weekend, I would love to have different dishes, taste a mind-blowing dish, and it would be a great way to catch up on food. And I'll be looking at spaghetti. Spaghetti or pasta, as some would call it, is a nice and affordable dish. It is what you put in it that makes it interesting, yummy, and appealing. Always remember to add protein and proper nutrients to your meal. Now that we had a nice talk, let us dive into the amazing world of spaghetti. We have plain spaghetti and sauce, which is the first one. This is the most common type, as it is easy to make and does not require a lot of time as the other types, and it is pocket friendly. No matter the amount of money you have in your pocket, we have this, and pasta and sauce is just easy to cook. We have stir fry. Stir fry, don't you just love it? As in, stir fry requires more time, money, and ingredients, and the end product will be mind-blowing. For more clarity, you can just check the pictures, and you should just wait for more tutorials on it and check out the further food videos from our channel. We have vegetarian, in case you are a vegetarian. Have you ever considered having a vegetarian's meal? Apart from the fact that you being a vegetarian from the start, you can just okay, let me just go to this part of this today and let me just try vegetarian's meal. Well, here's a good time to try it out. Vegetarian spaghetti reduces the risk of obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, amongst other diseases. Even with a vegetarian meal, you can have a healthy, balanced diet and have a lovely meal. If you love your veggies, then this meal is for you. We have jollof spaghetti. The best jollof rice can only be found in Nigeria, as Nigeria holds the title for the world's best jollof rice. We also have jollof spaghetti. It is like making jollof rice, but be sure to watch the quantity of water so that you don't make your meal soggy, so that it will not be soggy. And this is a nice dish that can be made special with your ingredients and garnishing. We have fried. Makes you remember fried rice. Yeah, well, this dish is just like fried rice also, except you add spaghetti and the preparation is less stressful. You can add whatever ingredients you like to spice up this meal. So how do you like your spaghetti? Is it plain or mixed, slim or fat? Let us know what you think and how you enjoyed your spaghetti in the comment section. Don't forget to comment in the comment section, like I said, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for staying with us. Thank you for watching. We love you and appreciate. Invite your friends. You can just share to people so that they would see this. And thank you very much in advance. Stay tuned and God bless you.